Stress-strain curve. Consider a wire suspended vertically. When the wire is loaded, a stress is developed. On loading, the wire increases in length and thus strain is developed. From the curve, we note that when the strain is small, stress is proportional to strain. This is the region OP in which Hooke's law is obeyed. The point P is called the limit of proportionality. In region PE, stress is not proportional to strain, but the wire still regains its original length when load on the wire is removed. Thus, the point E is called the elastic limit. The region from O to E represents the elastic behavior of the material of the wire. In region EA, strain increases much more rapidly than stress. In this region, the wire does not regain its original length, even when the stretching force is withdrawn. Beyond A, even a small increase in stress produces a very large increase in strain. Beyond point B, the strain keeps on increasing even if the stretching force is removed and the wire breaks at C. The region E to C shows the plastic behavior of the material of the wire.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.